Precision matters in woodworking, and choosing the best miter saw for woodworking can make all the difference. From clean crosscuts to perfect angles, discover the ultimate tool to elevate your craft. Number 1. Metabo Saw For Woodworking. Designed for both professionals and hobbyists, this 10-inch compound meter saw stands out with its powerful 15-amp motor that delivers an impressive 5,000 RPM. This ensures smooth, clean, and precise cuts, making it a reliable tool for all woodworking projects. The high-speed blade rotation allows effortless cutting through various materials, reducing splinters and rough edges. Whether you're working on furniture, flooring, or framing, this saw offers superior performance to meet demanding tasks with ease. One of the highlights of this saw is its user-friendly design. Featuring thumb-actuated positive stops, it allows quick and seamless miter adjustments, ensuring enhanced accuracy and productivity. The large table provides ample material support, preventing mishaps and improving control over cutting tasks. Additionally, the integrated vice clamping system securely holds the workpiece in place, preventing unwanted movements and ensuring precision in every cut. This thoughtful design contributes to both efficiency and safety, making it an excellent choice for professionals and DIYers alike. This portability factor makes it an ideal choice for contractors who frequently need to carry their tools from one location to another. Additionally, its durable build ensures long-term reliability, withstanding the rigors of heavy-duty use. Versatility is another significant feature of this saw, thanks to its wide miter and bevel ranges. The 0 to 52 degree miter angle range, left and right, and 0 to 45 degree bevel range, left, provide the flexibility needed for different cutting applications. Whether you need straight bevel or compound cuts, this saw delivers consistent results every time. Number 2. Dewalt Saw For Woodworking. Built for heavy-duty applications, this woodworking saw boasts an 1100-watt motor designed to handle even the most demanding cutting tasks. Its robust power system ensures durability and efficiency, making it a trusted choice among professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. The high-performance 15-amp motor operates at 3,800 RPM, providing extended power for cutting various types of wood effortlessly. Whether you're working with thick lumber or intricate moldings, this saw delivers precise and reliable cuts every time. One of the most impressive features of this saw is its integrated cutline blade positioning system. This adjustment-free cutline indication enhances accuracy and visibility, allowing users to achieve perfect cuts with minimal effort. The tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7.5 inches nested, and base molding up to 6 3/4 inches vertically. These fences can easily slide out of the way for bevel cuts, increasing the saw's flexibility for different woodworking applications. The ability to handle large materials with ease makes this an excellent choice for professional woodworkers tackling complex projects. Efficiency is further enhanced by the adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate. With 10 positive stops, this system improves productivity while ensuring precise cuts at commonly used angles. This feature proves especially useful when working on detailed woodworking projects that require different cutting angles. Number 3. Skil Saw For Woodworking. Designed for precision and durability, this 10-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw delivers powerful performance with its 15-amp motor, generating 4,800 RPM for quick and efficient cuts. The high-speed motor ensures clean, accurate cuts, making it ideal for both professional and DIY woodworking projects. Whether working with hardwoods, softwoods, or engineered materials, this saw provides reliable results with minimal effort. One of the standout features is the dual bevel capability, which allows cuts in 4 positive stop positions at 48 degrees and 45 degrees left, 0 degrees, and 45 degrees right. With a 2x12 cutting capacity at 90 degrees and a 2x8 cutting capacity at 45 degrees, This saw accommodates various woodworking needs. The stainless steel miter plate features 9 detents and 11 positive stops at commonly used angles, making angle adjustments quick and easy. The saw cuts up to 50 degrees left and right, providing increased versatility for different projects. Designed for user comfort and safety, the horizontal grip handle features a center-located safety trigger, allowing for effortless operation by both left and right-handed users. The overall ergonomic design ensures reduced strain during extended use, making it an excellent choice for long projects. Number 4. Dovaman Saw For Woodworking. When it comes to precision and efficiency in woodworking, having a high-quality saw can make all the difference. This power tool is designed to deliver accurate cuts with its dual-speed functionality, allowing users to choose between 5,000 RPM and 3,200 RPM depending on the material. Whether cutting wood, PVC or soft metals, the included TCT blades, 2 with 40 teeth and 1 with 48 teeth, ensures smooth and efficient performance. The ability to switch speeds provides enhanced control, making it suitable for both delicate and heavy-duty projects. Ergonomics and usability play a key role in any power tool, and this model excels in both areas. Designed for both left and right-handed users, its ambidextrous build ensures a comfortable grip, reducing strain during prolonged use. This user-friendly design enhances safety while offering a seamless woodworking experience. Additionally, the built-in laser guide takes accuracy to another level, allowing users to make clean, straight cuts with confidence. This feature is especially useful for intricate woodworking tasks that require meticulous alignment. Number 5. Evolution Saw For Woodworking. For those who demand a high-performance saw capable of cutting multiple materials with precision, this model is an outstanding option. Its patented multi-material cutting technology sets it apart, allowing users to slice through steel, aluminum, wood with embedded nails, plastic, and more. Unlike conventional saws, it delivers clean cuts with minimal sparks, heat, or burrs when working with mild steel. This innovative cutting capability makes it a versatile tool, suitable for both woodworking and metalworking projects, especially when working on detailed or repetitive cuts. In terms of power, this saw is equipped with a 1500 watt optimized gearbox and blade system, which extends motor and blade life while ensuring seamless cutting performance. This high-powered motor, combined with a premium tungsten carbide-tipped TCT blade, allows for effortless cutting through different materials. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.